You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more correct pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of this one. So this is short for Catherine, also Kathleen, and that's Catherine with either a K or a C, and this one is also spelled with a K or a C, and it's most generally pronounced as Kathy. Kathy. Very rarely would it be pronounced as Kathy. How do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce it Kathy? It'd be interesting to know. Let us know in the comments, and if you pronounce it Kathy, also let us know and where you're from, so we have a better idea of how you want it pronounced, but most generally Kathy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.